we have learned about the load flow. Now we are going to see the how we can get the optimal placement of capacitor. Let's open those two files. Before knowing about the capacitor placement, we have to understand two ways of obtaining the optimal value of capacitor placement. We have to calculate the optimal size. See, this is the voltage profile of given system. So here we see that 18 number bus has the lowest voltage. The capacitor is supposed to be negative loading, that is negative bar loading. For now, we are going to calculate for one capacitor only. So it will run all together for 500 those generations. How much is the losses? How much is the this one? So we can run here. Let's see. Change folder. What happens? Okay. But this is the obtained in case of base case. I think this is the base case load flow. Now we can see that the GA is running. And this is the reactive power loss. So the in base case the loss is 210, almost 211. In base case, before placing of capacitor, there is loss of this one 211, almost 211. So after placement, it decreases to 189.102.